It's a very, very sad day for all of us. I condemn to the utmost of my capacity this act that has caused so much of death and suffering to the people. I also like to ask the government to hold a very impartial, strong inquiry and find out who is responsible behind this act, and also to punish them mercilessly, because only animals can behave like that. And I ask all our Sri Lankan people not to take the law into their own hands and to maintain peace and harmony in this country.